Guy's like standing on this flat kayak on his feet in the river. I have no idea what he's doing. It's pretty funny. Kayakers down there, a bunch down there. Probably get another video, head down that way. Supposed to be a kayak competition going on. I seen a dude jump into the water, swim over here under the bridge, because his paddle was like stuck right in that little where it drops off there. It was stuck in there. And he swam, he tried to grab it and missed it, so he had to swim back up the river. And I'm pretty sure that water is pretty cold, so that must have really sucked. Because it's kind of cold not being in the water right now. So, bunch of kayakers. Competition in a couple days. There's a bunch of hikers here too, but most of them are leaving today. I wanted to do some whitewater rafting today. It's only $15, but it's closed down so all these guys can practice their kayaking, I guess. Supposedly they're doing flips underwater, like back flips in their kayaks. I didn't see any of it though, so I'm not able to confirm the story.